channel. I am just finishing up touching up my hair. I don't know if you guys have seen, I did the overnight blowout last night, which is kind of just another form of heatless curls. They've been getting popular on TikTok recently. And so I did them last night. It was my second time doing them and I feel like they actually turned out really nice. It was not perfect by any means, but the first time I tried it was awful. So we have improved for sure. This is my favorite part. Taking out the roller is just so much fun. So satisfying. This one roller single-handedly keeps my hair looking good because see how much better that looks now? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I need to finish getting ready for the day, so let's pick out an outfit. The outfit. I'm just wearing this brandy top with my cotton on jeans. I love this top. It has like a boat neck. I think that's what it's called. I just think this neckline is so cute. Looks so classy. Excuse my messy room. I don't know what shoes to wear. I always get questions about this necklace. It's from Etsy. I will find the seller and put it in the description, and then my earrings are from Brandy. I do want to run some errands today, but first we're gonna go make a smoothie. If you guys have seen me making my smoothies in previous videos, you know that they're very basic. I just dropped a strawberry. I usually am just throwing some fruit and milk together and that's about it. We're putting a lot of bananas today because I kind of ran out of strawberries, so I have like 2 in there. Anyways, so recently I've been trying to make my smoothies a little bit healthier. For example, instead of using regular milk, I'm using a little like protein drink and it tastes the same. I am a vegetarian, so I need to get the protein in somewhere. But I have also been using Armor colostrum. If you don't know what colostrum is, it's basically a dairy bioactive whole food that's produced by all mammals in the first 48 to 72 hours after giving birth. Armor colostrum is cruelty-free and it only uses surplus colostrum from grass-fed cows that would otherwise be waste product. It has ingredients like peptides, antibodies, and antioxidants that support your cells, gut, immune system, and so much more. It is keto, gluten, and fat-free, and it's the only colostrum on the market that's casein-free. So there are so many benefits of using Armor colostrum. Like I said, it can help your gut, skin, immune system, hair, nails, energy. I found that it helps keep me more energized, and it even reduces bloating. I especially like it because of the stress benefits. It really helps with being able to focus and concentrate. I sleep better, which is great. And overall, it's great for strengthening your immune health, which is so important to me, especially with the traveling that I've been doing this summer. I use 3 scoops in this. 3 to 4 servings is recommended daily, but since it is a bioactive whole food, you can use more than that. So let's blend her up. Okay, let's try it. That's so good. I'll definitely use more strawberries next time. We'll get some today because I need to go grocery shopping. But I actually do have a special offer for you guys. You can receive 15% off your first order. Go to tryarmor.com and use my code KennaMarie to get 15% off your first purchase. That is TRYARMRA.com. I will have the link in the description. Thank you so much to Armor for sponsoring. So today I have to go to Ulta to do a return and Target to get some random things plus go grocery shopping. I feel like there's somewhere else I needed to go, but I'm forgetting. So anyways, I am going to sit and sip on this for a few minutes and then we'll head out. Okay, so I'm on my way to Ulta. I bought a bunch of stuff from Princess Polly for an event that I was going to. I kind of wanted some more like professional-ish but cute looking clothes. So I got a bunch of stuff from there and only like one thing ended up fitting well. So I have to return like 4 things, which I'm not even mad about because I'm happy to get my money back. So you can do that at Ulta, which is really nice. I was gonna get some other random little things there, but I think I'm just gonna do that at Target because it might be cheaper. I need to get some like travel size products. I need like toothpaste, body lotion, stuff like that. I'm going on 2 trips in the next 2 weeks. So this weekend I'm going to LA because my friend Kaylin and I are going to try to get box office tickets for Olivia Rodrigo, which I have never done before, so I'm a little nervous about that. Obviously it's not guaranteed that we are going to get them. Please stay green. Oh my god, please stay green, please stay green. One of my least favorite things about driving is having to like yield when turning green. It's called like a California green or California yield or something like that. There are a million of them in LA. Anyways, I am not sure obviously if we're gonna get tickets, but I hope that we do. I would do literally anything to see Olivia Rodrigo. I love her so much. She's probably the one like celebrity that I actually feel like I'm like a huge fan of. I feel like I'm not a fangirl for many people, but Olivia Rodrigo would be one of those people. So anyways, we're gonna try to do box office tickets on Saturday. I have no idea how that's gonna go. It'll be a quick trip. I'll probably get there Friday night, leave Sunday morning. Hopefully not Saturday night because that means we won't have gotten tickets, but you know what? We're gonna show up so early because we are dedicated to getting these tickets. Anyways, the week after that, I'm going to New Orleans, which is so random, but I'm so excited. I'm going for my friend's birthday. This was a super last minute trip, and I'm going to be flying Spirit, which if you know, you know, they charge you for everything. So I'm only going to be flying with a personal item. It's only a weekend long trip, so I should be good with that anyways, but I am an overpacker, so it might be a little hard for me. But yeah, that's why I need to really make sure I have some travel size items. We're not playing around. We are going to make sure that Spirit does not charge me for a carry-on. Anyways, that's what we're doing. I'm parked outside of Ulta. I have my returns. Let's head inside. Okay, we're all done with the return. Now let's go to Target. Groceries away. I kind of just got random ones today because I do still need to plan out my meals for the week. I'll probably do that within the next few days, but I did want to show you guys at least like the toiletry little travel items that I got. Not that this is exciting, but I get so excited about buying travel sized items for trips. First up, we have a travel toothbrush. I've actually had one of these before and I like it because it just like folds into itself. Next, this isn't necessarily like a travel item, but I have been needing a new beauty blender desperately, so I finally got a new one. And then next, I was debating on getting this, but I feel like I've seen TikToks about it before or something. I got this Vaseline Cocoa Shimmer Jelly Stick. I think it just like makes you glowy. Honestly, I'm not totally sure. But I love these like body glow products. And the one that I have that I love, the Kopari Golden Amber Sun Shield Body Glow. This is like kind of just a big container. I think this is more than 3 ounces. So I decided to see if this would work as a replacement. We have some toothpaste, some body lotion. This is like the only small body lotion I could find. Hopefully it smells good. Then I got some deodorant. I always get the clinical strength ones because I am terrified of smelling. And then last thing, not travel sized, I got the Method Hydrating Body Wash. This is the, I was gonna say the shade, the scent Magnolia. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. But next, before we leave for the trip, I need to clean my makeup brushes. Like, it is bad. I don't even know what to use. I've used shampoo in the past, but I've also seen people just like use dish soap, so maybe I'll just do that. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, makeup brushes are clean. They're drying on the bathroom counter. While I was washing them, I got a couple packages. Let me make sure. Okay. Didn't want to accidentally show my address. I'm actually super excited about this one. So I ordered this like small duffel bag. The brand is Bag Smart. I got this to use as my personal item since I'm flying Spirit and I don't want to pay $50 for a carry-on. And I chose a bag that was like very close to the size requirements without going over. I think this will just be the most practical for me. Seems like it has a lot of space. Now we have a package from Too Faced. Sorry, my ice maker is going off right now. Ignore that. I was supposed to get another Amazon package. That's where the duffel bag is from, but nothing else came, so I'm a little nervous about that because it was some shorts I was supposed to wear for the Olivia Rodrigo concert if I go. And the only reason I got them from Amazon is because I had originally ordered them from Addicted and then literally they just never showed up. So I'm trying to get a refund right now. Anyways, that was a whole tangent, but I really hope those show up today. Okay, so it looks like we have an eyeshadow palette and a lip plumping gloss. Here's the little card with all the info. These are all the shades. This looks really pretty. Thank you so much to Too Faced. Okay, that was everything that I got. It is so hot in my apartment right now. It's literally 87 degrees. It's currently 4:50 p.m. My friend Morgan is coming over at 8 and we're gonna finish the show that we've been watching together. We're rewatching Daisy Jones and the Six. It's such a good show. It's on Prime Video. It's based on a book. But yeah, so we only have 2 episodes left, so I'm assuming we'll just watch both of them tonight. But other than that, I don't have anything else planned that I like need to do today, so I think I might just work on editing this video for a bit. This probably hasn't been the most eventful vlog, but I haven't just done a normal vlog like this in a long time. I feel like they've all been a little bit more structured and had more of like a concept that they were based on. So I kind of just wanted to hang out today. Let me know what you're doing while you're watching this video. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. I'm like burning up right now. I probably look disgusting because I'm sweaty, so I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later. anyways, it is the next day. Last night I should have gotten some clips of me and my friend finishing Daisy Jones and the Six, but I totally forgot. It was so good. Oh my gosh. Makes me want to watch it for a third time. Anyways, I did my overnight blowout again. This is what my hair looks like. I took it out a few hours ago, so it's holding up pretty well. I literally didn't do anything to it. I just brushed it. Did not even touch it up today, so this is gonna be so nice for when school starts again. Anyways, you might be wondering why I have a red lip on right now. I was figuring out the perfect red lip combo for the Olivia Rodrigo concert because I didn't have one that I liked, so I finally found one. I still have it on because I want your guys' help. You know what? I just realized this is probably gonna go up after I would have gone to the concert, so I guess I can't get your help on this, but you guys are here for moral support, okay? I want to show you some outfit options that I have. So this is the top that I'm thinking of doing. I'm like 99% sure this is what I'm gonna wear because I ordered this on Etsy for the concert. And then for the bottoms, I ordered some bloomers from Addicted. I'll have like an inspo pic on the screen of like the bloomers I was going for, but then the ones that I ordered from Addicted literally never showed up. So I last minute ordered some on Amazon, but I am not obsessed with these. I don't know why. There's like a long piece of lace hanging at the bottom. They're also very like poofy. Like these are not the vibe I was going for. They're still cute though, so like I might just make it work, but I might also end up returning these and just wearing this skirt from Urban Outfitters with the top. I don't know how it's gonna look because it is cream and the top is white, so I'm not sure if that's gonna look good together, but I think maybe like the red accents will kind of tie it together. Maybe I'll put like a red little bow on the skirt or something. I don't really know, but I'm thinking maybe let's try on both of those. I am thinking my red cowgirl boots, but I'm not sure if that's gonna look good either. I didn't want to spend too much time or money on this outfit because I don't know if it's like a for sure thing. But anyways, let's try these on. You guys, this is so cute. I am so obsessed with this outfit. I am kind of wishing I got the top in a different color. I feel like black would have looked really good with this, but I think the white and the cream look fine together. I just realized I have some red purses, so maybe one of these can go with it. Maybe this one since it matches the boots more. I think this is what I'm gonna be wearing. We're still gonna try on the bloomers just in case. Okay, I'm too lazy to put the boots back on, but here's what they look like. I don't really like them. Like, I don't know why they're so puffy and they're so frilly. I wanted them to be a little bit more like form-fitting. I don't know how to explain it. I feel like it looks like I'm wearing like a costume or something. So it's a no from me on these, which I'm fine with because then I can get my money back. And the only thing I bought for this outfit was the shirt because I wanted to wear something that like had her lyrics or something like that on it. But anyways, I feel like the pleated skirt is more Olivia anyways, so that's what we're gonna go with. All right, you guys, we are skipping ahead to Saturday morning, the day of the concert. I'll do a quick recap here. I did a full story time on TikTok if you want to hear about how this insane day went, but basically to wait for the box office tickets, we had to get there super early to try to get towards the front of the line because we obviously don't know how many seats that they're gonna have available. So you want to get there as early as possible. We show up at 6 a.m. Run into so many issues. It was truly an awful day. But at 6 p.m., 12 hours later, we finally get tickets and it's the best night ever. This was truly the best concert I had ever been to. Olivia was amazing. Now I understand why people go to multiple shows of their favorite artists because now I just want to go again. I can't stop thinking about the concert. And then we run into some issues after the concert too, trying to get home. It was a whole chaotic day, honestly. If you want to hear more about it, again, go to my TikTok. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I was so happy to just do a normal vlog again where I just kind of hang out and talk to you guys. So more of these coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.